Hello friends, Smita here, and our today's topic is creation of inventory. As we know, Tally facilitates integration of accounts with inventory. This is one of the feature of Tally. Let's open this. How to open the Tally features? Just press F11 from the keyboard. See, inventory, we have both accounting and inventory part. Tally facilitate integrate with accounts, inventory, integration of accounts and inventory. It means we can maintain the stock as well as the accounting part of it, means purchase and sales entries as well as the debtors and creditors also. So for this integration, we have all the accounts, but now we want to create inventory. If you want to purchase the inventory, if you want to sell the inventory, or if you want to manufacture the things, we need to create inventory. So how to create inventory? What are the steps for inventory creation? What things to be taken care? We will learn all these things in inventory part. So first of all, inventory means stock. So it can be raw material, work in progress, or finished goods. Any type of stock it will be. To create inventory or stock item, we first need to create stock group, then stock category. You need to create the how to measure the stock, that is unit of measurement, different locations, that is godowns to be created, and then we create the stock item. And from one godown to another godown, if we transfer the goods, we need to create the stock transfer entry. So let's start with first stock group. Stock group. Stock items are primarily classified as stock groups. So stock items or inventory has the main classification as stock group, or you can say it is a combination of similar products. For example, mobile phones, TV, hair oil, all these are the stock groups that we can create. Suppose I have one example. See, we will we will use this example in Tally. Suppose I have mobiles. This is the opening stock that we have in our godown. We have mobiles and we have TV. So we trade mobiles and TV. So mobile of Samsung brand, MI brand, and these are the different models. These are the quantities, rate, and they are stored at different locations. The Shastri Road location it is, and MG Road. These are the two godowns we have, and we have mobiles and TV. So in this example, mobile, TV can be grouped as stock group. So we can say these are the stock groups. We can say these are the groups. So stock items are mainly classified as stock groups. A stock group is a combination of similar products. For example, mobile, TV, hair oil, etc. And how to create stock group? We have to open the gateway of Tally, go to create, and then select the stock group. Or another alternate option is available. Use go to feature. Press Alt G from the keyboard, select create master and stock group. We will create stock through any of the options available. So let's create the stock of mobile, stock group as mobiles and TV. Let's open Tally. Okay. How to do? How to enter? How to create a stock? Gateway of Tally, create, enter. Now we have inventory masters. In that we will first create stock group, enter. Stock group is mobile phones, can be our stock group. This is the main stock group. So we will group it as a main primary group. And next is should quantities to be added. Yes, we need to add the quantities so that we can check the reports. group wise. So yes, I want to enable this question. You also enable this question so that you can get a report based on grouping, stock grouping. So just press Y from the keyboard and accept. Again, it asks for next group. So next group is TV, televisions. It is primary group, and should quantities to be added? Yes. So this is how we have created two groups. Backspace or escape. How to check them? How, if you want to edit them or check them, go to Alta. In inventory masters, stock group, we have mobile phones and TV. If you click on this, any of this, you will have the alteration available for these groups. I'm pressing escape from my keyboard. Next. So we have created group mobile and TV, mobile phones and TV. These two groups we have created. Next. Next is stock category. Stock category is a class or division of similar products. As we have created the group of mobile phones or TV, in that we can have a subdivision which is known as a stock category. So stock category offers classification of inventory in another dimension where it can be a subdivision of the grouping. So mobile phones of different brands can be our stock category, or TV of different brands, or TV of different types, that is LED TV, smart TV, LCD TVs. So LED TV, smart TV can be the stock category for our TV units. How to create them? Go to gateway of tally, create stock category, or Alt G, create master stock category. Now I am using the alternate option. As I have created stock group through gateway of tally, I will create stock category through go to feature. So Alt G, create masters category. I am pressing Alt G from my keyboard. Create masters, enter, select stock category, enter. Now we will have our example. See, we have different brands of mobiles, Samsung, MI, or we can have TV as a LED TV, smart HD TV. So we can classify them as a category. So I'm selecting them as a category. I'm taking these brands as category. Okay. Okay. So I'm creating a category Samsung. So Samsung is a category of mobile phones. So under next is MI phones. MI phones is another main category. For TV, we have LED TV and smart HD TV. So LED TV is yet another category we have, and smart HD TV. This is yet another category we have. Okay, escape. Now we are on the gateway of tally. So this is how we have created the groups. We have created the categories. The next is unit of measurement. Next, we have to create the measurement unit for measuring or counting the stock. So what do you mean by unit of measurement? Unit of measurement refers to the unit in which the inventory can be measured or it can be counted. For example, pieces, numbers, kg, liters, all these are the unit of measurements. Well, unit of measurements can be a simple unit or compound unit. Let's start creating unit of measurement. How to create it? Go to gateway of tally, create unit, or through go to option Alt G, create masters unit. Okay. Here we will create both types of units, simple units and compound units. So create unit of measurement, that is unit. See, the type by default it takes as a simple unit. So I am creating a simple unit. For our example, we are counting our all these stock in pieces. So we need to create pieces as a unit of measurement. So symbol will be pieces, PCS, and formal name will be the full form of that pieces, PIECES. Well, pieces are whole units, so there is no decimal point available for counting the pieces. So number of decimal places 0. Suppose I want to make a kg, kilogram. So symbol will be kg, formal name will be kilogram, and here we have decimals. We have grams in decimals. So we use 3 decimal places for kilograms. Suppose I am creating boxes. Formal name boxes. I can have the same word for it. It is not compulsory to give the symbol as well as formal name. It is formal name is optional, and boxes are full boxes, so there are no decimal places. I'm keeping it at 0. Suppose I'm creating numbers. Full name is numbers. Again, there are no decimal places. So these are the simple units. Suppose I want to create a compound, that is combination of two units. Press backspace, come to the type part, select compound, enter. Suppose I want to create a combination of boxes and numbers. So I have a big box, in that we keep 10 numbers of units of any product. So compound unit can be used as boxes of 10 numbers. So we have 10 quantity of any inventory which we have packed in a single box. So a single box contains 10 numbers of that inventory, particular inventory. So this is how we can create compound unit. Press escape. So we have created the pieces for our example, and along with that we have created other simple as well as compound units. Next part. Godown. Godown is the location where we store our stock. Godown is the place where the stock is stored. So it can be a warehouse, factory, rack, shelf. It can be anything, or it can be a location also. We have, suppose we have the godowns at different places or different in different cities. Then that location can be a godown name for our example, for our part. How to create it? Go to gateway of tally, create godown, or alt G, create masters godown. So in our example, we have this Shastri road and MG road. These are the two types of two godowns we have. So we will create Shastri road as well as MG road as two godowns. So open tally. Again go to create, click on create, godown. You might find the word godown or location depending on the version that you have downloaded from the browser. So I have word godown or location. So enter. At by default there is only main location, and we need to create another new godown. So it is asking whether you want to create it. Yes. So press this C or create new button. Name of the godown can be the place or warehouse that we have. Suppose we have, in our example, we have Shastri Road as the godown name. It is the primary, not the main location. It is the primary type of godown. If you want to give the address, you can give it. See, the address and other part. The configuration of the mobile Godown creation can be changed by pressing F12 from the keyboard. If you want to provide allies, you can press yes. Do you, if you want to have the language allies for the Godown, enable it. Use primary or parent Godown, yes. If you want to write down the address, enable this question. Allow storage of material or enable third party stock details. If you want to enable this, keep all the questions yes and answer all the questions in the go down creation part. So I'm keeping only two questions as it is. Address is Mumbai, enter. So this is how I have created one go down. Another go down is MG Road. It is again primary go down and it is in Pune, suppose. So this is how we have created the godowns. So Shastri Road and MG Road are the two godowns that those we have created. Next, now we come to the main important part of inventory, that is stock creation, stock item creation. Stock item is nothing but the inventory or goods, and stock items are manufactured or traded. In our example, we are the traders of mobile phones and TV. So we will just create the opening stock of all the items, and in the upcoming classes, we will purchase the goods and sales the goods. So at present, we are the traders for different stock items. So how to create stock item? Go to gateway of tally, create stock item, Alt G, create master stock item. So in this example, mobile phones and TV we have taken as a group. Then Samsung, MI phone, LED, Smart HD TV we have they used as a category. Now these model numbers can be our stock item. So one by one we will create all these stock items. We have the opening stock of so and so quantity at the rate of so and so at this place, at so and so go down. This all these things we need to enter in stock creation screen. Let's start. How to create stock? Go to create stock item. This is the stock creation screen. See, here we need to give the data of your stock item name. It should be under which group, category and units. These three questions are very important. If these questions are not available, in that case configure the stock creation, and here inventory details you need this stock group, we will need stock category, unit of measurements are required, then alternate units. At present I'm keeping this no, and we need to provide opening stock. So these four questions I am enabling. Rest of the things you can enable or not. At present these are not important. These things are optional one. So I am pressing Ctrl A from my keyboard. So one by one we will create the stock. The first stock name is Galaxy M33. Enter. So this is what? This is mobile phone. So group is mobile phones. Enter. Category. This is Samsung mobile. And how we will calculate, how we will count this mobile pieces. Alternate unit I don't want. I am taking it as a single unit. Rate of duty at present statutory details we are not supplying. We will just create the opening stock of all the stock items. So we have eight pieces at the rate of 19,499 at Shastri. So we have 8 pieces. As we have created the go downs, it will open the second window and will ask where we have stored those stock items. So it is at Shastri Road, 8 pieces, and the rate is 19,499. 19,499 per piece. So per piece the rate is so and so. So we have 8 pieces. It has calculated The amount of that total stock is 1,55,000. Enter. So this is how we create different stocks. So we will create this one, Galaxy F14. It is mobile phones. It is Samsung phone. We will calculate, count them in pieces. We don't want any alternate unit. And how many pieces we have? 5 pieces at Shastri Road, 15999. 5 at Shastri Road, 15990. So this is how we can create the stock items. Let's create this MI phone stock item. I'm creating this one. I'm skipping these 2-3 things. You can practice them. I'm creating MI A3. MI A3. MI A3. It is mobile phone. Now these are the another stock categories MI. Suppose we don't have this any category. How to create any category grouping? Just press create from here. Just select the create option, or you can press Alt C and you can create another category. So at present I have the category, but if you don't have, you can just press Alt C and open the stock category creation window, stock group creation window, anything we can open. So again we will count them in pieces. We don't want alternate unit. Enter. Statutory items not required. 8 pieces, 6,999 MG Road. 8 pieces at MG Road, 16,999. Same way, I will create one LED TV and one smart TV. So 1 plus series, 1 plus Y series is the stock item. 1 plus Y series. It is TV now. It is LED TV. We will count them. Suppose we will count them in numbers. And we have 5. Okay, we will change to pieces only. Then pieces. We have 5 pieces at MG Road, 15,000. 5 pieces at MG Road at the rate of 15,000. And one smart TV we will create. Rest of the things you practice. You can easily practice them. Okay. So LG 4K Ultra HD. LG 4K Ultra HD. This is our TV. It's a smart TV. We will count them in pieces. Not alternate unit not applicable. And we have 10 units, 34,999 Shastri Road. 10 units at Shastri Road, 30, sorry, 34, 499. Okay. This is how we have created all these stock items. To check them or to alter them, go to alter stock item, stock group, anything we can alter through alter part. So just select the things that the stock item that you want to alter, open it and change the same. You can change the opening part, opening quantity, grouping, anything you can change by altering the same. So we have created almost all the stock items. The next part is, so this is what we have to create. Okay. First, we will go through the stock report. Now, as we have different stock stored at different location, grouped and categorized properly, we will check the reports. First of all, how to check the reports? There are two ways to check the reports. You can have the stock summary at Gateway of Tally, or you can go through the inventory book which is available in display more reports. So first we will check the stock summary. In reports parts, we have stock summary. Enter. See, it is available. See, this stock summary is for Royal Garments from 1st of April to 31st May. These are the this is the opening date and this is the last date of the voucher we have entered. Stock details for our stock with us and third party. So we have total phones, mobile phones we have 21 and total TV we have 15. For details, we can press Alt F5 or Alt F1. So I'm pressing Alt F5. So this is the detailed report of the stock. Mobile phones total we have 21, but in that we have Galaxy F14 5 pieces at the rate of so and so, Galaxy M33 total 8 pieces at the rate of so and so. Like this we have the different stock and total quantity of stock is 36 pieces and amounting to rupees 7,51,924 SK. Even in the balance sheet, we can see the same figure. In current asset, we have the closing stock as this is the opening stock is the closing stock for the time being. We have total 36 pieces of 7,51,924. This is the main report, that is stock summary report. Another report is available, other reports are available in display more reports. Go to inventory books and here we have summary based on stock items, godowns, group summary, category summary. So first of all, we will check the stock items. We have all these stock items we have created. We can check them. Enter. So we have MI A3 and this is the opening balance. We have entered as opening balance, though we have not purchased or sale. So whenever we go through the purchase or sales entry, it will get in reflected in inwards and outward part. So at present we have closing balance of 8 pieces amounting to rupees so and so. Same way we can check the stock go down wise. At MG Road, what we have mobile phones, 8 phones we have, TV we have 5, but which TVs we have or mobiles we have, we can open by clicking on that particular group or just press Alt F5 or Alt F1 from your keyboard for detailed reports. Same way you can have a stock group summary. Group wise we can have all the mobile phones, all the TVs and all. Category wise, if you want to check the report, you can open accordingly. Next, this we will go through this report after stock transfer entry. So our next part is stock transfer. Suppose we want to transfer the stock from one godown to another, we pass stock journal. So what is stock transfer? Movement of stock from one godown or location to another. And how to pass that stock journal? You have to open the voucher from Gateway of Tally and at this voucher creation, press Alt F7 from your keyboard for entering stock journal. The another option available is press Alt G or click on Go to button, create voucher and press Alt F7 at voucher creation to have stock journal. So let's start. So vouchers, enter. Suppose I have payment voucher open. Now I want to pass the entry of stock journal or stock voucher or stock transfer. In that case, at voucher creation, vouchers, I will press Alt and F7 from my keyboard. Alt and F7 from my keyboard. So this is the stock journal. You can check it to the left hand corner, stock journal Okay. So the question is, suppose I am transferring two mobiles, Galaxy M33 from Shastri Road to MG Road, and this LG 4K Ultra 2 pieces from Shastri Road to MG Road. Okay, so let's solve this question. We want to transfer the material. So how to transfer the material? We will pass the stock journal. On which date we are transferring? Check the date. Suppose I am transferring the material on 2nd April 2023. Enter. Now there are two parts. It's a source part and destination part. Source means from where we are picking up the material, and destination means where we are taking it, or where we are transferring that material, to which location we are transferring. So we are in the source part and it is asking for the name. Again, for a list, press spacebar. We are transferring Galaxy F4, F14. Now it is asking for the go down, and then it will ask for quantity, rate and amount. So go down, press space bar. See, it is also displaying actually this type of this stock item is where it is in Shastri Road. It is not how many pieces are in both the godowns. So at present we have 5 pieces at Shastri Road location. So enter Shastri Road. I am transferring 2 pieces. See, the rate should reflect automatically. If it is not, it means there is something wrong something went wrong. Next, I am transferring this 4G 4K Ultra. Again, press spacebar where it is at Shastri Road. I am transferring 2 pieces. Rate should come automatically. Enter. This way you list out the things those you want to transfer. So after completing, just press enter once and we are in the destination part. Now in this destination part, again need to enter everything. So we will enter Galaxy F14 as a stock where we want to transfer to MG Road. How many pieces? 2 pieces. Again, the rate should reflect automatically. Enter. Next item is Galaxy 4K, where we want to transfer to MG Road. So here we will give the source location where we are going to transfer. That location we need to enter in destination part. How many pieces? 2 pieces. Enter. So at the end, it is showing from source location we have picked 4 pieces of at the total amounting to rupees 92,978, and we are transferring 4 pieces of so and so amount. Enter, and at the end it asks for the narration. So narration is being stock transfer. Enter. Escape. Now again we will check the reports. In stock summary, we will find the same report. We have 21 mobile phones, no problem. We have this Galaxy F14, 5 pieces. But in inward and outward section, we will find 2 pieces are inward in MG Road Godown and 2 pieces were outward from Shastri Road Godown. So this is one type of stock report. For other reports, display more reports, inventory books. Now we will check the go down wise report. Suppose MG Road go down, we have mobile phones, Galaxy. See, in MG Road, we have transferred the goods. So MG Road go down shows the inward part. 2 pieces were inward at MG Road, and now there are 2 pieces of Galaxy F14. Again, MI, we have these pieces. This stock was not transferred, so it is as it is. So this way we can check the stock reports. So creating inventory includes different parts, that is stock group creation, stock category creation, then we have to create unit of measurement, locations or godowns to be created, and after creating these four things we can create stock item. And after that, to pass the stock transfer entry, we pass the voucher by pressing alt F7. We can check the reports of stock available at different things, different ways, that is stock summary or in inventory books. So just go through all these things, practice the thing, practice the creation of stock. I have given the PPT also. So go through the example available and also go for the transfer of stock. Thank you, friends.